How to fix a hang Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually fix a hang Android phone, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix a hang Android phone, you have to understand a couple of things: that on which specs you're using, what kind of storage you have, and different type of apps. The first reason why your phone could be hang is because due to lack of storage. So to fix this, you basically have to clear out some of the spaces. So I'll just recommend you to uninstall any of the apps that you don't personally use and you don't like to use as well. Just delete those applications. Now you can open settings, and under every settings you'll most likely find the option called battery and device care, and under it I'll find storage. Depending upon whichever phone you're using, go to your storage settings. Here you'll see a brief description of what kind of files are occupying what kind of space. So if there are any type of games such as large files and apps and so on, you can just try to uninstall those applications and games in order to see if that actually helps you to solve your problem. If it doesn't, the other thing that you can do is simply try to clear its memory or RAM. So just tap on the memory tab over here. Once you tap on the memory tab, all you need to do is just click on the clean now button. Once you click on the clean now button, you can see I have a good enough memory, so I can just go ahead and then clear out those spaces as well. The last thing I would recommend you to do is simply try to reset it. So you can just go to the about section here, and then you can go to reset option. Once you go to reset, basically you can tap on factory data erase and then reset your phone to its latest version. So hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.